The scope of the safety case in 4600 is everything needed to independently assess safety. So that means the safety case should have everything in it that you need to decide that, yep, sure enough, this system is safe. That includes the hazards, the mitigation approaches, and all the arguments traced to evidence. The scope includes technology, hardware, software, machine learning, tool chains, data sources. It includes lifecycle. It's not just deployment, it's also operation, it's incidents, it's maintenance, all the things in the life cycle. If you have a vehicle fire, what happens? Does it know how to safe itself so that it doesn't endanger the firefighters through unexpected motion? Just as an example. The infrastructure, the vehicle, the roads, the data networks, the cloud computing. Road users such as pedestrian and light mobility users, emergency responders, and the environment, such as the operational design domain definition. The point is that everything that can possibly affect safety, that's safety related, has to be dealt with in the safety case, and there are sections on essentially all of that within 4600.